Neuralink, a brain implant company led by Elon Musk, has obtained regulatory approval to conduct its first clinical trial involving humans. However, apprehensions have arisen due to Musk's previous leadership track record and concerns regarding animal welfare related to Neuralink's earlier experiments. Elon Musk's leadership style, particularly observed during his tenure at Twitter, coupled with his goal for rapid advancement, has raised doubts about Neuralink's ability to responsibly oversee the development of an invasive medical device capable of deciphering brain signals. There are concerns that Musk might perceive the device as merely another gadget, without giving due consideration to its medical implications. Although several companies worldwide have been researching brain interface devices for years, Musk's grand promises about the capabilities of the Neuralink device have been met with skepticism from experts. Founded in 2016, Neuralink has designed a brain-computer interface called the Link, which is a computer chip adorned with electrodes that can be implanted into the brain's surface. This chip establishes a connection between the brain and external electronic devices. Musk has proclaimed that Neuralink's device holds potential for therapeutic applications, such as treating conditions like blindness, paralysis, and depression. However, he has also expressed his ultimate vision of creating a general population device that can directly link a person's mind to supercomputers, allowing humans to keep pace with artificial intelligence. Furthermore, he has even suggested the possibility of extracting and storing thoughts as a digital backup for one's non-physical existence, essentially a digital soul. I swear, this guy has seen way too many Avengers movies. So far, Neuralink has primarily conducted tests on animals. Videos released in 2021 and 2022 showcased a monkey using the device to play video games and type on a computer telepathically. While receiving FDA approval for human clinical trials marks a significant milestone, specific details regarding the trial's parameters, objectives, and design remain undisclosed. Being a private company, Neuralink is not obliged to disclose regulatory interactions to the public or investors. Several concerns have been raised regarding the device's safety, including issues with its lithium battery, the potential for overheating, and the possibility of the device's wires migrating within the brain. Additionally, the irreversible nature of the implantation process has raised questions about the device's removal without causing damage to brain tissue. The resolution of these concerns remains uncertain, as the FDA declined to comment on Neuralink's application process. Neuralink's testing practices and allegations of animal cruelty have been subject to scrutiny. According to a Reuters report, the company has euthanized over 1,500 animals since 2018, with former employees attributing the higher mortality rate to Musk's demanding timeline, resulting in more errors and unsuccessful operations. Some experiments were described as hack jobs, involving the installation of incorrectly sized devices in pigs and implantation into the wrong vertebra, leading to the animal's euthanasia due to pain and suffering. The allegations have prompted investigations by multiple government agencies and members of Congress, including inquiries into animal abuse and mishandling of biohazardous materials. Considering Musk's track record of mishandling user data at Twitter, concerns have been raised about Neuralink's ability to handle highly sensitive data obtained from participants in future clinical trials. Preserving user privacy and implementing ethical data handling practices are of utmost importance when dealing with brain devices. However, Neuralink has not provided any response regarding to its plans for data management. Neuralink's marketing strategy, focusing on Musk's concerns about artificial intelligence potentially dominating humanity, sets it apart from other companies and public institutions working on brain-computer interfaces. These entities primarily focus on using devices to address specific medical conditions, such as seizures, Parkinson's tremors, or paralysis. The neuromodulation devices industry, encompassing devices that record or stimulate neural activity, has already surpassed $6 billion in value. While other companies have received FDA approval for testing brain implants, and some have been conducting human trials for over a decade, Neuralink's clinical trials are still in the early stages. Despite obtaining FDA approval for clinical trials, Neuralink's products are not expected to be commercially available for quite some time. Typically, companies need to demonstrate the safety and efficacy of their implants before seeking FDA approval for market release. This involves conducting multiple rounds of trials and overcoming the challenges associated with implant placement and stimulation techniques, particularly for complex diseases. While progress has been made, it is crucial to approach each condition with meticulousness and respect of the individuals being assisted, rather than solely relying on exaggerated marketing claims and ambitious goals. So, to sum this all up, Neuralink, under Elon Musk's leadership, has obtained regulatory approval for its first human clinical trial. However, concerns arise regarding Musk's track record and animal welfare issues associated with previous experiments. The company aims to develop the Link, a brain-computer interface device for treating various conditions. Despite animal testing, details about the trial, safety concerns, and data handling remain unclear. Ethical considerations, privacy, and the challenges of bringing the product to market further complicate the situation. So, will Neuralink successfully address these concerns and pave the way to a new era of brain-computer interfaces? As always, I'm curious to hear about your thoughts, so please post them down below and let's discuss about this new era of technology. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on bell notifications. See you next time.